Hey Tharp, as part of Black History Month, today I'm going to be reading you a short biography about Michelle Obama. And if you were in the IDC last week, you might have seen the puzzle or worked on the puzzle we had. That was Michelle Obama, and we had out some of her books as well. So if you want to learn any more about her, you can always come down and check some of those out. And today I'm reading to you from a book we have here in the Media Center, Brave Black First. So if you want to check this out after I'm done to read about some of the other people in here, you are welcome to. Today we're going to read about Michelle Obama. Michelle was born January 17th, 1964, so she just celebrated her birthday. She was born in Chicago, Illinois. And it says at the top, I never cut class. I loved getting A's. I liked being smart. I liked being on time. I thought being smart is cooler than anything in the world. So Michelle Obama was the first African-American First Lady, and she's a unique combination of self-assurance, intelligence, organizational leadership, and style that comforts and inspires. As First Lady and wife of Barack Obama, the 44th President of the United States, Michelle embraced issues of women's empowerment and community involvement. Since leaving the White House, Michelle has assured the American public that she is still becoming, despite already being one of the most influential and successful women in the world. Given her high-powered but non-paying job as First Lady, Michelle initially described herself as a mom-in-chief. During her 8 years in the White House, she advocated for military families, reactivated a White House kitchen garden, promoted healthy eating for school children, and started a Let's Move physical fitness initiative. She also reaffirmed the White House's commitment to the arts and maintained a joint policy with President Obama of opening the doors of the People's House to as many visitors as possible. Michelle was born on the south side of Chicago, Illinois, to working-class parents, Fraser and Marion Robinson. She excelled in academics, eventually following her brother Craig to Princeton University, before attending Harvard Law School. While working for a Chicago corporate law firm, she mentored Barack Obama, a law school associate. The couple married in 1992 and have two daughters, Malia and Sasha. Michelle has often said, success isn't about how much money you make. It's about the difference you make in people's lives. After leaving corporate law, Michelle worked for Public Allies, a nonprofit organization, the University of Chicago, and the University of Chicago Medical Center. Although initially wary of politics, Michelle campaigned for her husband's run for Illinois State Senate in 1996 and the U.S. Senate in 2004, and his successful presidential campaigns in 2008 and 2012. About her best-selling memoir, Becoming, Michelle tweeted, I hope my journey inspires readers to find the courage to become whoever they aspire to be. And we actually have the young adult version of her memoir, Becoming, here in the Media Center. So if you want to come check it out, you're welcome to. Hope you all have a great day.